Hi guys, today we will talk about how to save posts on your Reddit app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that to save any posts you want on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you just looking for any post you want to save, like this post for example. We will click here on this mark here, like you say, then it's going to show for us this window like this, and you just click here on save here, and when you click save like you say, your post is saved now, and you go to save post and you will find this post you saved on your Reddit app. So that's all you have to do to save your posts on your Reddit app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about our Reddit app settings. So see you in next video about our Reddit app settings.